Hello everyone, let's learn to code. Today we will be discussing about the different methods like set color, set fill style, pie slice, fill ellipse. These are the various coloring methods that will help us provide a color to our patterns or to the drawings. In the previous lecture we have learnt about the line method and the circle method. The line method draws a straight line from one point to another point, and the circle method we can draw a circle provided that we give the center and the radius. The first method is the set color method. The set color method sets the color or sets the drawing color. The second method is the get color method. This method returns the current drawing color. The difference between those two are that the set color takes the parameter int color or the color name in uppercase, but the get color method returns the color and the parameter it takes is nothing, that is, it's void, it's empty. The pie slice method. This method draws and fills a circular pie slice. With the circle method, we cannot color it or we cannot draw a colored or filled circle. But with the pie slice, we can draw a proper circle or a slice or a slice of a pie, you can say, or an arc, but that will be a colored one. The pie slice method takes 5 parameters, that is int x, int y, both in the integer form, starting angle, ending angle, that's also an integer but in degrees, and the radius. X and y are the center coordinates. Starting angle and the end angle denotes that where the arc should start and where it should stop. The fill ellipse method. It draws and fills an ellipse. In the pie slice method, if you try to draw a circle, that is, that if you try to write pie slice 200, 200, 0 to 360, and of a radius 10, it will draw a circle. It will draw a circle but with a slight gap between the 0 degree and 360 degree. So with the fill ellipse method, we can overcome it. Instead of using pie slice, we can use fill ellipse 200, 200, the x radius keeping 10 and the y radius keeping 10. So it will draw a circle. Set fill style. This sets the current fill style and the color. There are various filling style, that is solid fill, hash fill, pattern fill, line fill, X fill, etc. Flood fill method. The flood fill method fills an enclosed area. The syntax is flood fill x and y in integer and the border. Here border means the border color. Suppose you want to fill a triangle, you need to provide the inner coordinates, that is the x and y will be the inner coordinates of the triangle and the border value. Remember that if the point is outside, the outside area will be colored instead of the inner triangle. Now let's see, suppose we have to draw this face, the face shown on the left hand side. So firstly we need to draw this triangle. So what we gonna do? That first we will create a line, that is from A coordinate to B coordinate, and then again we will draw a line from B to C, and lastly line from A to C, and then using the flood fill we can fill the inner triangle. Similarly, we need a pie slice here. Since circle won't allow us to color, so we need a pie slice here with the given center. Now we need two eyes. So again a pie slice, again a pie slice. But if we do pie slice, you will see a small mark here. A small mark here. So instead we use fill ellipse method. And lastly we need the mouth here, the mouth. So we use the pie slice again. Now let's look into the code that how we can draw that figure. Firstly, we need to draw the hat. So we have set the filling style as solid fill. This is the pattern and this is the color to be filled there. Secondly, we have drawn 3 lines which will help us make the triangle starting from 200, 100 to coordinate 140, 200. Similarly, from 200, 100 to 260, 200. Lastly, connecting the base, that is 140, 200 to 260, 200. And we have used the flood fill method. This will allow us to fill the inner triangle or the inner area of the line we have drawn. And we have taken the inner coordinates of the triangle. See, 201 and 120. This lies inside the triangle, and white. White is the border color. Now coming to the face part, we have set the fill style as yellow. We have seen that we have used a pie slice and then we have colored it as yellow. So we need a solid fill with a yellow color, and I have used pie slice here, keeping 200 and 200 as the center. 100 and 360 denotes the sector or the angle, starting angle being 180 and end angle or the stopping angle being 360, and 50 its radius. Now coming back to the eyes part, we have used fill ellipse method because the pie slice will draw a circle and color it, but by leaving a gap between 0 and 360. So we have used a fill ellipse method, keeping the radius 5 and 5. And set fill style as solid fill and black. This will fill the ellipse with the black color. Now coming to the mouth section, I have set the color as red. Set color allows us to set the color of the border as red or set the drawing color. Set fill style, again it's a method that takes two parameters. It is the pattern and the color. The pattern has been given solid fill, and lastly the color is the red. Now I have used pie slice from 180 degree to 360 degree, keeping the center as 200 and 230 and the radius as 10. Now get ch, this will pause the screen until any character is entered by the user, and the close graph, since we have opened initially using the init graph method, we have closed the graph. Now let's run this program. See, this is the face. Since we have not set the color as red while drawing the hat, see, therefore we can see the border color being white. Also, in the flood fill method, we have used the border color as white, therefore the border color is white. And that's all for this coding part. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the notification bell icon. Thank you.